Got it out of what? What are you doing, Pat?
Fixing a computer.
Fixing your laptop? Are you sure you're using the right tool?
I couldn't find a hammer.
You might want to put your safety glasses on.
Oh shit, here's a screw. That's what...
Is that how they do it in Japan when they build these things?
You bet.
So what was the problem with this thing before you tore it up?
Well, I think it was the, shit, what? I can't remember the name of the damn thing, but it's real...
The motherboard.
It's real sensitive.
It's a motherfucker is what I think
come on now. We're putting this on YouTube.
Sorry.
If you guys want your computer fixed by Mr. Pat Eves, send him $30 and he'll do it with free shipping anywhere in the U.S.
And don't forget the box.
In a box. And he is licensed in Aruba. And if any problems at all with the computer, this guy is high tech. He'll fix any motherboard you got.
What's this wire?
That's a motherboard right there. Okay, there's the problem. Put a new one in, we're good to go.